Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, February 5th, 2019. Well, we made it through another day. Let's see if we can get through this one. It's going to be a beautiful day out there. Okay, so we have a little bit of fog in the morning. Some of it's freezing fog, so watch out on the roadways, especially over eastern Long Island. But temperatures are jumping up already into the mid to upper 30s along the coast, a few lower to mid 30s over southern New Jersey, where we have a little bit more of a snowpack. And of course we have upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior as well. We have a southwesterly wind around 5 miles per hour and mix of sun and clouds throughout the region. Temperatures today, and get ready for this, are rising in early February into the mid to upper 50s along the coast, upper 50s to lower 60s just away from the coast. So let's say Philadelphia could be around 62, 63 degrees. New York City, about 61. How about Trenton? 63. Yep, it's going to be absolutely beautiful out there, but don't get too used to it just yet. I know it's tempting. It's a little bit of spring fever, but unfortunately, winter is going to be putting up a bit more of a fight, and it will be pushing back in a big way, especially for this upcoming weekend. Now, on the satellite picture, we have a mix of sun and clouds here. Some of that fog is starting to give way. And pretty much that's what we can expect for much of the day with a mix of sun and clouds throughout the region. On the latest surface map, we have one storm pulling away that impacted North Carolina. It's pushing out in the Atlantic. Here's our next cold front that will be moving through this evening. Not much in the way of precipitation is expected. Maybe an isolated shower at most, let's say around Albany, but that is about it. For the most part, we're just looking for a mix of sun and clouds and a wind shift to the northwest by this evening, and temperatures free falling thereafter. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, mix of sun and clouds, cold front moves through, so look for a wind shift to the northwest by the time we get to this evening. Temperatures again rising into the mid to upper 50s along the immediate coast, upper 50s to lower 60s everywhere else. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. What else is there to say? Well, for tonight, that cold front clears out, winds from the northwest. Look for scattered cloud cover with lows in the mid to upper 20s. So it definitely gets much colder. By the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, look for increasing clouds with rain developing towards the evening. Now, for the Poconos, northwestern New Jersey, Hudson River Valley, and northern Connecticut, there will be a period of freezing rain for tomorrow evening into early Thursday morning. So we're going to have to watch that very carefully. Looking for about a trace to maybe a tenth of an inch of ice to watch out for. Regardless, for Thursday morning, definitely take your time with traveling. High temperatures tomorrow will rise into the upper 30s to lower 40s and then fall back into the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast where it will just be plain rain. On Thursday, that rain exits. Look for a mix of sun and clouds with a threat for a few widely scattered showers throughout the day on Thursday. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. So it's, as you can see, far cry from the 60s. And then that cold front clears through on Friday with scattered showers. And then you're going to notice this cold front moving through because temperatures are going to free fall right after it. So look for lows on Friday in the mid to upper 30s, highs in the upper 40s to mid 50s. Then when that cold front moves through in the evening, temperatures will free fall to the 40s into the 30s and bottom out on Saturday morning in the upper teens to lower 20s throughout the region. So it's going to feel a lot colder on Saturday morning. But high pressure will be in control, so look for it to be breezy but dry, with temperatures rising into the lower to mid 30s on Saturday afternoon. On Sunday, high pressure in place, clear skies, lows in the mid to upper teens, highs in the mid to upper 30s. On Monday, an area low pressure will approach, but just with some sun and clouds. No precipitation is expected at this time. Look for lows in the upper 20s, highs in the mid to upper 30s. On Tuesday, increasing cloud cover. And then we're going to have to watch the evolution of these low pressure systems here as they track and start to interact over the Ohio River Valley. Could be looking at a period of snow on Tuesday evening. Now, whether that changes over to rain or what track it takes, we don't know yet. But certainly there is the potential for another winter storm for the region by the time we get to Tuesday night. Look for temperatures on Tuesday to range from the mid-20s for lows and lower to mid-30s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today, and as always, stay safe out there.